Hello guys. Well, I was feeling pretty good this morning and I tried to listen to me, I just dated myself. I tried to record a video on my phone to do a tutorial, and my phone is not letting me upload the videos. It says they're too big. There's not enough space. I don't know what's going on. And so I've tried to edit and it's just been a big mess. And I had been working all morning trying to get this video to load for you guys, but it didn't happen. So I'm sitting here on the couch working on some projects, and hopefully I'll have a better video put out for you guys tomorrow. And look at this. I'm breaking out. I don't know what that's from. I am almost 56 years old and I still get pimples. I don't even know. Anyway, I just wanted to pop on real quick and let you guys know that I'm sorry, no video today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But it's just not been my day today. So hopefully I will get a video out for y'all tomorrow. Hopefully I'm feeling as good tomorrow as I'm feeling today. And we'll just see how it goes. So, I hope you guys have a great day. And if you have suggestions on what to use, what you guys use to record your videos, those of you that are creators that are on here, what you use, let me know what you use to record your videos, because this Samsung phone that I've got an, which one is it? It's the, I don't even know which one I've got. It's one of the newer ones. I'm sorry, I can't keep up. I don't have a whole lot in storage. I try to delete pictures and keep stuff deleted. I don't keep a whole lot on my phone, but for some reason I cannot upload videos from this phone. It drives me nuts. Now my laptop's a different story. I can do that all day long, but this phone, So it would really help me out, guys, because I really want to get these tutorials going. If you could tell me in the comments, those of you that are creators that do videos, what do you use to record and upload your videos? Let me know. All right, I'm going to get off here and finish up this project I'm working on, and I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow. Have a great Tuesday, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.